Oh my god, I'm so anxious for the winner. I'm so anxious for the winner. Alright. Joey, final two. Tejas and Vioni. You two worked so hard to get here. And now it's time to reveal who will win season 8. Alright, let's vote. Tejas. Sweet. Second vote. Vioni. Yeah. Third vote. Tejas. Yeah. Fourth vote. Tejas. 3 votes Tejas. 1 vote Vioni. Vioni's gonna lose. Vioni. 2 votes Vioni. 3 votes Tejas. Vioni. 3 votes Vioni. 3 votes Tejas. 1 vote left. The winner of Season 8 Total Pokemon Stars is... Vioni! Yeah! I win! I won! Oh, what? Vioni, you won! Yeah! Oh, yeah, you won! Yeah, I know! Gliscor must be pissed, along with Jirachi. I'm pissed off! I can't believe this stupid bitch won! Jirachi, she deserves it! I lost. It's so stupid. Don't worry, Tejas, it's okay. You did your best, and yeah. Well, all we need is talk on Wesley Gigas to come here for the with the fireworks. We got the fireworks. It took us a long time. Wow, you guys are so slow. Anyways, yeah, how do we get the fireworks let's get put up. Alright, now let's start. Yeah, before we start, what are you doing, Wesley Gigas? Wait, don't! This is what you get for not letting me appear for season 7 or 8. Well, you appeared in season 8 finale. Well, who freaking cares? Yeah, we don't have a match. Here you go, Cena. Thank you, Speedy. Anyways, who's ready for some fireworks? Yeah, fireworks. Yeah. Okay. Whoa! Those are awesome fireworks. Do I love it? AC them? Whoa! Those are real pretty. This must be the best season I ever had. Yeah, I know. Starry, I did so well, did I? Oh yeah, you did. Yeah, I did. I worked so hard to get here and I won. Whatever. Ugh. I'll shut up when I win Crystal Solar's TPI. Ugh. This is so stupid. No. For once I'm enjoying something. Yeah. But you still haven't won TPI. I know, but next season we'll dominate that season. Next season we'll dominate that season and win. Agree. I can hear you now. Shut Torchic, no one likes you. Whatever. Let me out. I want to see the fireworks. Anyways, yeah. What? See you guys in the season 9 special, where I get out of the box, I hope. I don't want to stay here for the rest of the firework parade, well, what will Vioni do now that she won this season, and, yeah, anyways, see you guys in the season 9 special. Bye.